Hey guys, this is Thomas with Poor Man Racing. I hope you guys enjoyed the last content that I put up. It was really fun doing. Helped my father-in-law out on a 64 Savoy. It's going to be a nice little street car slash super stock is what he's running. Is the class where they have to have certain things a certain way. I believe it's nostalgia super stock is exactly what it is. But sorry for the video not going up last week. I've been busy all week, all last week. Trying to push them out about once every week to every 2 weeks. With that being said, let's cue that intro. With that being said, I'm slowly putting interior back in the car, which helps out, but it also gets in the way. I am working on my relay blocks right now, trying to make a panel for them. Trying to figure out where I want to put it. Since this will have full interior in it, I had a cardboard, I repeat, cardboard glove box. It sucked. As soon as I went to go take the dash out, it fell apart on me. So with that being said, we're going to try to have one made at work just to fit it, so that way I can start putting stuff up. Next time you guys see us, it'll be daylight. We'll be starting on this Saturday. Trying to get everything done as fast as possible. I do have wheels in the mail. I have a 3-belt pulley in the mail. Trying to get all of this ready before March. I have a buddy of mine that wants to race for $100. He's got a 66 Mustang. I believe it's got a 293, maybe a 302 in it. We're going to see what this does against that. I know we got a long ways to go to make this really competitive, but we should be having it on the street, driving, street legal, race car, gonna have fun, street car, anything you can think of, I really want to be able to do. Alright guys. Hey guys, it's 9 o'clock in the morning. We're about to start this thing. I've got my little boys inside watching videos, so that way they can leave me alone in peace to work on a car. My oldest son's asleep, so I'm going to let them have free reign of the house while my wife's gone right now, just so that way I can get some stuff done. Hopefully we have some good content today, and you guys will start seeing some work get done on Headcase. Alright. Alright guys, that's what the speedometer looks like. I think it looks pretty nice. I got it jumpered off of 2 low 6-volt batteries. Just trying to see how it looks pretty much. Pulled it out of the dash. We're going to put that back in, run the wire so that way we can jump off the bus bar for the power as soon as the car starts up or turns on. Speedometer and the GPS automatically turn on. So far, this is what we got. Relay blocks. I know lighting sucks. It's rainy today, so I really got nothing I can do with that. We already know our box. Yep, hold on. Cord snagging. See if I can get you guys to see right there. That's going to be for all my lighting. It's literally going to jump off of that, which is independent fuses. Soon as I throw that switch that says lighting, come on, clear up. Yep. As soon as I throw that switch, it applies power to all the internal lights, the tail lights, and the headlights. But my brake light is going to be wired up straight through with the inline fuse. And we also, let me get this cord out of the way, ran the nitrous line up and through there. I just got to put a grommet. That was the best idea I could come up with since I do not have a lot of room. It will be a street car, still have the full back seat and both front seats. So I'm making do what I got to do. And this is what I mean. Hold on. If you see that bracket, that's where the glove box was. The whole inside. Hold on. The whole inside was cardboard. It just fell apart. Alright guys, we got the solenoids wired up. I did just try to do this, but I had it on time lapse for some reason. But we're going to try and make sure these solenoids hit at full throttle. I'm going to show you guys a quick little glimpse of what it looks like on my bracket. Alright guys, we've done a lot of wiring so far. We're almost done with it. I'm waiting on that 3-belt pulley to make it in the mail. Also waiting on my wheels and tires. Order the jegs package, the SSR spikes. Come with Mickey Thompson radials, 275, so we're going to put those on. We're going to see what the little car can do whenever we hit 150 shot, pretty much out of the hole. Right now I know the car runs about 850s. There's still some tuning I need to do with the carburetor, get it dialed in. But hopefully this year I'll have the nitrous outlet Pro Max and put O2 sensors on it, some wideband, so that way we can get the actual air-fuel ratio, try to make sure everything's good, and we will be trying to put a second kit on it either this year or next, depending on how everything works out. If we can do good, hit low 6s or high 6s in the 8th mile on just 150 shot, I'll be happy with that, because that will make a pretty decent street car. I got a couple friends that like to race in the street. I got a couple that like to race at the track. It just depends on who wants to race at that time that will do it. Hey guys and girls, we're about to try this out now. Let's see how this works. The fuel line is not hooked up to the regulator. I know that. We have it jumpered off. I'm going to show you my quick little bracket I made. Right here. So that way whenever it goes wide open throttle, 3/4 to wide open, it ends up hitting this little bitty arm right here. See if we get her to focus. Well, let's see if these fire. I got the power on the car. Relay should be energized. Let's see if we hear it. Yep, they're clicking. And at about 3/4 throttle, it comes online, so that way be well over what I need to be. Let me see if I can set this down in a good spot. See if we can feel it. Make sure both of them are hitting at the same time. And both of them hit perfectly fine. So with that being said, we're going to finish wiring up as much as I can today. I've already hid some of the wires in the fenders. I got to make a couple plates. I've got a few cut out for the back. Got to cut one out for the front for the firewall. Run the headlights, high beams, all the internal lighting, and we'll be good. Alright guys, just work on the Nova while the camera was down. I had the back seats in, I have the passenger front seat in. A little bit of wiring left. All I have is the tail lights, the brake lights, the headlights, and the high beams. Besides that, just waiting on the wheels and the pulley now. And this thing will be literally ready to go. Oh, we did have one problem. I don't think my button for my purge system is working at all. I cannot get it to fire off the solenoid. So I'm going to have to buy a new button and the retractable cable. Sucks. Another 50 bucks probably in the car, but overall I'm doing this really cheap. Best of my abilities. I do wiring at work, but this is nothing like how I do my wiring. This is a little junk race car. We're going to make it work. Alright guys, you have a good one.